Yo, what's up, YouTube? You already know. It's Young Rich, aka Dope Man, motherfucking feeling, nigga. I don't even do this shit, but I'ma show y'all niggas how I'm feeling today. You know what I'm saying? I'ma do a little freestyle, show y'all niggas what it is. You feel me? Look, can't you tell that I am the best and y'all are the rest? I got them hollow tips that will fill up your chest. Bitches give me a big smile like I'm working for Chris. I got that cash money flow though. Nevertheless, I'm on the block, posted up now. Niggas selling rock now. If you tryna cop now, nigga come and buy now. Nigga call me Chinese, out my eyes be leaning. And I don't give a fuck, smoke a lot of fucking green in. And when my mind get crazy, yeah, my mind right. And I'm tryna be out there in the limelight. And if a nigga tryna stunt, see the fucking pump. Run up on a nigga, then it's just the fucking chump. Yeah, a nigga tryna hate though. You know me, man, take the food off the plate though. Nigga like Pringles, stacking them chips though. I don't give a fuck, man, longer than Flamingo. Yeah, I'm in Domingo, yeah, where the club at? You wanna run up on me, I show you where the dub at. Nigga hating on me, damn keep hating. Nigga over there, man, my 4/5 hating. And niggas see me here shooting like painting. Hot over here, but I ain't Satan. I'm more like a god in the streets, and I bring the motherfucking heat straight to the street. Nigga, damn, lock me in the jail cell. I cop a bail, man, and I didn't tell. Oh shit, man, that nigga so real. Nigga on the block, plus I always got the steal. I ain't got it right now, cause I can't show it in the video. Nigga wanna run up on me, I show him how the thing go, let it blow. Like Romo, throwing bullets at your face, you can call me Romo. Get a promo, get up on the track, dog. But I ain't even know how to rap, dog. I'm not a rapper, I'm just a brick seller. And if you wanna move, man, I fucking sell it. Hand it work to me, then you pass it. And then I put it in the trash can, duck it. Duct tape the shit, ship it to a state. You know me, I move the brick from state to state. Nigga, yeah, everything go, dog. But I'm trying to cop the new Rolls Royce, boy. And you don't wanna see the thing go off. Till your head just swell and just go off. And nigga be 6 feet deep under my feet. If you run up on me on that creek, I swear to God I'm on the block every fucking day. You wanna catch me, nigga, I'm out there every day. Nigga, anyway, anything I do, nigga. You wanna do what the fuck I do, nigga? Damn, dog, get your own mind right. Like I said, I'm trying to be in the limelight. I'm just freestyling though. You know me, man, I gave y'all a video, so go ahead and just watch that. And just sit back, roll a blunt, man, and just choke on your blunt, man. And I'm done, man, peace out. You know me, man, I'm about to sign out. Hit the log out button, then I'm fucking gone. You should get the roll on. And just go, little homie, before them things just start busting, little homie. I got a 4-4 plus I got a 9. I got a chopper that will hit you in your spine. Look, we on that ill shit. All black nigga on that killer shit. I don't even rap, but I'm doing this. Niggas know the beat, I'm pursuing it. And I'm the sickest flower. Get the money, man, I'm the fucking sickest goer. The beat too long, but I'm still fucking flowing. These niggas know me, I'm still fucking rowing. Like I'm in the boat, nigga, in the Pacific. And I don't give a fuck, niggas just get with it. Hop in my road, dog, if you tryna roll. In my bed, I drink that shit fucking cold. Nigga, why you tryna fucking fold? I pay for book, and my stack right. You know me, nigga, tryna get my stack right. Pussy niggas out here, these niggas better act right. Every day I'm chillin', money on my mind, nigga, tryna fulfill it. You tryna be the big damn nigga talking shit, talking all that jabba nigga out your lip, till you get a right jab to your fucking face. Pull that thing off, nigga, from the fucking waist. Little bitch, nigga, still young rich. As I said, nigga, I'm in this bitch. Yeah, nigga, you already know.